What's up, y'all? So today I will be doing a review for UNice Hair. This is their packaging. They sent me a cute little box. You know, I love UNice done stepped up their packaging. Here is the packaging for the wig. It gives you a little barcode, and you can scan and see the description of your wig, the texture, the length, you know, all of that. Of course, they send you a thank you brochure with tips and tricks on how to take care of your hair inside. If you want to pause this, here are some QR codes for you to scan for discounts and more wigs. Here's my little goodie bag, which came with a pair of nails, a satin robe, which I put on for the video because why not? Like, super cute. And then an elastic band and an HD cap. All right. You know, if you're a UNice girl, you got to commit all the way. Put on the whole logo, everything. I slicked my hair back. And now I'm going to put on this HD wig cap, just showing y'all that it is super thin and seamless. We're going to put that on. I'm not going to glue it down. I'm literally just going to put it on like a stocking cap. Taking the wig out of the packaging, this is what it looks like fresh out of the box, okay? They pre-curled, pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-parted, pre-everything this wig, okay? Like, you literally don't have to do nothing. Look at these curls. A moment of silence for the curls. Okay? Okay. Eating. Look at the lace. Like I said, pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-parted, pre-everything. This wig is taking it, okay? 10 out of 10. For somebody that needs to get up and go, this the one right here. So I'm going to be using some Even Wonder Lace Spray and some spritz. I'm just showing you the products. And then, of course, some LA Pro Girl Concealer. I went ahead and put the wig on. And now I'm just going to pop a little bit of concealer in my parts. Those of y'all who, I don't know if y'all still use LA Girl, but LA Girl is that handy dandy lace color right there, okay? Like, the OG wig girlies know that this was the lace color that you use for everything, okay? So I'm just popping that into my lace, making it look more scalp-like, as you guys can see. Okay, it's giving. Now I'm going to take my Even Wonder Lace Spray, and I'm just going to spray that directly on top of the lace, and then put down the UNice wig band that they gave me, okay? This is going to be a quick install, all right? Did this in you install your wig in less than 3 minutes, okay? We already done. Once your band is on, I'm going to comb out the curls and use my hot comb to just press everything down, make sure everything nice and flat. Even with a wear and go wig, you still want to use that hot comb. I want to take my edge wax stick and just pop that on my top piece where my leave out, not my leave out, what am I talking about? Where my parting is, and I'm just going to flatten all that out with my hot comb, get it nice and flat. You want it looking like your hair as much as possible. I don't care if it's glueless wig or glued down wig, you need to make sure that thing's flat. So I'm just going to run my hot comb through it to get it nice and flat, and then once I get through with that, you see the difference that it makes? I was just showing y'all guys. Once I get done with that, I'm going to comb out the curls, cut a little layers, because they didn't put any layers in the hair. They just curled it, which is fine if that's the type of look you're going for. I wanted more of a voluptuous, you know, swoop, boom, boom, boom. So I'm going to cut a few layers in the wig. But other than that, I didn't have to do nothing else. So just stay tuned. You're going to see me cut with my shears. And then once we do that, that's really it. I'm going to pop this band off. And then that's going to be it for this get and go, ready and go, 3-minute install wig, okay? Like everything ready to go. You don't have to do nothing. This is the most work I had to do with my hot comb, literally. So once I get through with my hot comb, I'm gonna cut a few layers and then comb out the curls, style it a little bit, and then I'll come back with the finished look.
Persian rose, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought you was Persian love. Are we turning up or are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time. You know I'm party. I don't just wanna chill with you. Oh no, I wanna turn up on. I wanna turn on. I wanna let you. That's the least I'ma do. feel it, babe? Can you feel it, babe? Can you feel it, babe? Can you feel it, babe? Oh, feel it, babe. Can you feel it, babe?
Okay, ladies, this is the finished look. Once I cut a few little layers, a nice little curtain bang. Super, super cute. Didn't do anything else to it. This is the back of the wig, as you guys can see. Full from root to tip. It's eating. Density is nice and full. I didn't get any shedding or tangling when I was combing through the hair. Like I said, everything came pre-done. All I did was put this wig on and put a little bit of lace spray on there. The density is eating, the body is eating, the color is eating. Everything is super, super cute. Really like this wig. Super easy and beginner friendly for installs. Overall, I give this a 10 out of 10. If you are getting ready to jump into the summer and you are looking for some looks, I would definitely try this out. Again, this is their Bye Bye Knot 7x5 Glueless Lace Wig. Pre-bleached, pre-plucked, pre-styled, everything ready to go. 10 out of 10. Overall, love this. UNice, y'all are doing the thing with these glueless wigs. Y'all are eating, okay? If y'all like this video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what y'all think in the comments, and I'll see y'all later. Bye. Mwah.